Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete all messenger messages at once. It's pretty quick and simple. So first of all, just open the messenger application in your mobile. You might need to log in if you haven't already. The thing with this app is that it's not in a feature in the app yet. You can delete a lot of messages at once. You can't just bulk delete. You have to go through and individually delete. Tap and hold on the conversation and you can delete the messages like this. The only way you can actually mass delete on this app is to just completely delete the app and then make a new profile and then start using it that way in a clean slate. But there is no way to do it through the app. There is third party apps that you can give your information to, which will, they say, delete all of your messages for you. However, you are going to be giving them your information such as your passwords and your usernames, which can cause problems later on. So I suggest just going through and individually deleting each of them, and if it's that big of a deal, to go ahead and just create a brand new profile and start over clean that way. But again, there is just no way to delete all your messages at once. It's not a feature that they give you. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.